Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, and today we'll be going over how we've parted out new lighting options for the brand new 2020 Corvette C8 with Heise LED. The owner of this Corvette really wanted to show off the mid-engine configuration, but didn't see the value in the OEM engine appearance package. So we took two HE-SALR accent lights for the engine bay. The HE-SALR are a red accent light, but are offered in white, purple, green, and amber with a black or silver housing. In the back bottom grille, we installed the HE-ATFL aluminum LED strip track with the HE-R 55068 red LED strip lights. The footwells have the HE-BALR, which are the same as the engine, but with a black housing. And to tie it all together, we took our HE-WRRK 9-function RF remote, so the owner of this vehicle could have the lights on even when the car is parked.